Legends of Learning presents the Unities Factory game.
Factory.
This is a math game that makes learning about finding area by counting unit squares
area
fun
of the shape?
and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game,
The shape.
in this factory, you will learn to identify and compare the area of funny figures in 2 dimensions.
What is
This
the
math
area
game
of the shape?
will test your knowledge on area and how to count unit squares. You will use your math skills to count the number of square units in different math problems.
Which shape has an area of 9 square units?
First, choose the correct answers to count the right amount of units correctly to progress to the next level.
Which shape has an area of 7 square units?
You will have to identify the right shapes with the right amount of square units to answer other
Find 2
questions.
shapes that have the same area.
Compare 3 shapes and choose the 2 that are the same number of square units in order to complete the math questions to progress
Find
to
2
higher
shapes that have the
levels.
same area.
Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.